findings. Like if I do a wrap, I feel like I want it to be like a unique color.
This guy's gonna.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Kozak. Yo, so we have something special in this video. We're going to be going over to Scruffy's. We're going to be going over to his shop. He's been rebuilding something, and I want to show it to you guys and kind of give a little comparison between his car and my car, because we both are doing kind of the same thing where we're rebuilding our own cars. So he's rebuilding a Supra. The difference is my car was completely unmodified besides an intake. His car is modified, but overall I think it's going to be a pretty cool video, and like to compare the cars, and not only compare the cars, but just also get a look at what a 800 horsepower Supra looks like. Or actually, I don't remember if it was 700 or 800. We're gonna ask him. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get in the car. I gotta go do some stuff, run some errands, and then after that, I'm gonna talk to you guys when we're on the way. Toodles. Hello, Daniel. Hello, Scruffy. Why'd you invite him?
This car's a piece of casting couch.
All right, go ahead and sit down. Age and occupation?
17.
Oh. All right, so we're at what's his name? We're at Scruffy's shop right now. We're gonna be looking at his Supra. All right, bro. First, I saw a 6'5" dude get out of the car meet the other day. What is this, bro? Is this
Trail mix.
what the hell? Trail mix. There's just sausage in there.
Protein.
Bro, this looks like it's been in the sun for 10 hours.
He's got out the fridge. Well, try the cheese.
All right, bro, we're doing food reviews now.
Mukbang, mukbang.
What's that, bro? Have you seen parts of the engine in the back of a Supra before?
No, it's just me. It's running 3,000 horsepower.
Custom. Wait, is it 700 or 800? Because I forgot. 7? Fuck, I just clickbaited. I told him 8.
Yeah.
Dude, get up another 100, bro.
Okay. Transmission.
Alright, bro, so if a 6'5" dude, this is all I can go back, right? This is the furthest I can go back.
I can barely fit in it. And I'm 5'9".
There's no shot. This is the furthest I can go back. Is it really?
Yeah.
Where's the back seats?
There's no back seat.
Let's see. Ow! I just hit my head. Bro, okay, so the bucket seats are not that comfortable, I'm not gonna lie. It has some nice, like, little attention to details. That's, dude, why is it so small? Like,
Dude, it's for a gun. Look.
Dude, if they got rid of like 2% of the damn hood, if they got rid of like 2% of the hood size, like we could fit like 5 kids in the back if they do. The front is way too big, man. You're never gonna be able to park forward. My head's already on the ceiling.
Why do you want kids though in here?
Yo, is this DCT, bro?
No, not DCT, bro. It's ZF. Oh, why am I sitting in this? Oh.
Alright, I gotta test it. Okay, you ready? No, bro! It sounds worse in person. Dude, that actually sounds terrible, bro.
This horn sounds like a bitch.
Yo, I need to get me some paddle shift insert things. I don't know, I won't lie, the seats are not that comfortable, but the interior is very nice, especially compared to the Mustang. Wait, do you not have a middle thing like that opens?
No.
Deadass.
No.
Dude, this thing is like
a
Camaro. I'd say the visibility is better than a Camaro, but you can't see shit out of your thing. Actually, hold on, I gotta close the door.
Yeah, I need to adjust this still.
You like the car?
Oh yeah.
What would you change about it? Like, honest, brutal honest, what did you not like about it?
Wish it was a bit bigger inside. Cause like I'm 5'10", I can barely fit in there.
You're not 5'10".
5'9", 5'10". Are you gonna take it for a spin or what?
For a spin? The bumper's falling off.
No, it's on.
The bumper's literally falling off, guys.
It's on. Just don't,
I gotta listen. I gotta listen to the. Oh my gosh. The farting is so nice, bro. Dude, I'm not gonna lie. When you guys hear this on camera, like, cause I've seen quite a few Supras on camera, none of them sound good. Like when you record it, especially compared to like an S58 or something, like they do not sound that good. I feel like in person they sound a lot different than like on camera.
Make sure to take it off park, sir.
Oh, yep, we're cooked. He got a fucking check engine light, guys. We're cooked. Oh my god, dude, that sounds so good though. I'm not gonna lie, the seats may be uncomfortable because they're made for a child, but. All right, guys. So the side view mirrors actually show so much in terms of visibility. The quarter panel windows are, and then the back windshield is pretty limited, but it's not as bad as a Camaro. Dude, I love the shifts. I know it's in the sports setting right now, but my sports setting, if you were to drive it normal, like I am right now, like it would be jittery. That's why I think I need a tune on mine. Bro, damn, bro, that's a heavy ass door. I love the B58. While we were driving, we only got 3 check engine lights.
Love it. Gotta love it. Audi could never.
Dude,
Daza the world. Yeah, Daza just blows up. Yeah, no, see, we don't get
check engine lights.
Fucking blows.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, bro. After getting out of the car seems even smaller than when I was inside. And honestly, standing right next to it now after I driven it, it literally looks like a Z4 to me.
Come on, man.
No, okay, now we swap spit.
Oh no, I'm scared. Is this gonna make me want to run into people?
Of course it will. What the hell?
A lot more space in here, bro.
Yeah.
A lot more.
And the sides.
And the seats are actually like soft. I like it. Kind of scared to drive this.
You can put it in S, it doesn't matter.
No, I'll just put it in drive. This car feels heavier, bro.
Yeah, it is heavier. Because you're inside it. See, my sport mode is going to feel a lot more like it's jittery.
Oh, yeah. My car does not do that.
Yeah, your car feels a lot more smoother, for sure. But in normal mode, my car feels fine, but it also does not give the beans like it should.
Your intake, I can hear it.
Yup.
What if I do a little drift?
Oh, no, you do not know how to drift. I seen you on Assetto Corsa.
Your shifts are kind of like clunky.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Compared to yours, yeah, it's a lot more clunky. When you like step on it, when you're like giving it the actual beans, it shifts smooth as butter. But like when you're like limiting yourself and driving normally in sport mode, it's like it doesn't like it. I don't know. I will say your car feels just like a lot more smoother in terms of driving, but my car also has the better feel of, it has better comfort. Like it's a lot more comfortable to be in a Mustang.
If I was gonna go on a road trip, I'd definitely take this car.
And trust me, I wouldn't want to take this car on a road trip. So it's like, it's saying a lot about how uncomfortable the Supra is, because it's like this car just isn't comfortable compared to other cars.
Are you missing any options in this?
This is fully packaged out. Yeah, fully packaged out. 20-pound subwoofer in the back. Yeah.
20 pound?
Yep. I don't know how much it is, probably though.
Get rid of it.
Let's have the theme.
I think the Mustang's better than the Supra because it got 2 more cylinders. And it's twin turbo. Dude, you have
4 cylinders.
4 cylinders, dude. Yeah, because one of them blew up.
Yo, what do you guys think? No stripes now, though. No stripes.
I saw that. I didn't know this. When?
Huh?
When?
I did it yesterday. So, dude was trying to charge me $700 to do it for me. So I'm like, wrap shop. I got it done in 30 minutes.
By yourself?
Yeah.
Dude, I thought it'd leave a residue. Why can't we trust
I mean, it did, but I have secret sauce. It like barely left any though.
I know what you use. I seen it in your video. I won't leak it though.
It's getting leaked next video, so.
Let's do engine bay comparison. You got better wheels, the PP1 wheels.
Yes, sir.
Got them fucking, what are they called?
Senseis.
How come that started up so much better than the first time?
I think Buddy had his foot on the gas, not the brake during startup. I will say, bro, the Supra's a bit wider, though. I feel like I can hear the mufflers trying to quiet it down. Like, if he gets rid of the mufflers, it'll sound better with, like, the tone. You're missing a lot of plastic in here, brother. I know what a Supra front looks like. It's 90% plastic.
People gave me the broken one. I'll show you. I asked them, make sure any of the parts that I get are not broken.
Yeah, they never make sure, bro. They said, hey, bro, tell me why I got broken plastic for my engine bay too when I ordered, huh? It's just like, bro, come on. Damn, this is hot as hell. Feel that?
Kind of like you, bro.
Okay.
Ah! I thought you were like exaggerating.
No, that shit's hot.
Bro, dude, it looks like the, you know, the built LS's, bro. You know what I'm talking about, the manifold on top here is, you know? Then why would it, man, what?
I mean, do your guys' motors have a natural tick, though? That sounds like rod knock?
Yes. Mine does.
Yours had rod knock.
No, it is. It's different. If you do, actually, I can start it for you. If you do listen, like, you're going to hear this, the high pressure pump. High pressure pump ticking a lot. And then, like, also, like, the cams.
When mine's cold, bro, oh my god, it'd be ticking.
Dude, sometimes it scares me because I swear I'm like, dude, what if the last owner like absolutely ripped the car, and then like I just have a car that's a ticking time bomb. Tweaking.
No, that's rod knock. Wait, do you not have remote start?
I don't either.
Yeah, you gotta switch out those tips.
I do get cool.
You think you're gonna do a single exit or what?
Honestly, it doesn't look that good. I like
honestly, what I would say is chop up the diffuser, do quad tips.
Ooh, wait,
be unique, bro. Be unique.
Or should I put tips over here? Get rid of the F1 light?
All right, turn it off. We're gonna listen to my rod knock. Yo, so we're having a rod knock competition right now.
It sounds completely fine.
Yeah, but when it's cold though is when it doesn't.
Your engine actually sounds healthier than mine.
I'm telling you though, when it's cold though.
Kind of whistle. Eugenia with a family.
Yo guys, eventually when this car's running, we'll do a review on it too. Here's a little sneak peek. Sneak peek. I know it's the broke spec. Real ones get RS5s. Now this is a W car, man. A W car, man. I would get an RS3 too.
I remember this.
That's crazy.
That's the Ford Fitment.
Ford Fitment right there, brother.
Someone called me something because they said like, do you just not care about the Fitment? I don't know, man. Stop talking about my Fitment.
I'm gonna be honest though, one reason why I'd see somebody getting a Supra over another vehicle is gas. That's like the only reason I really see, besides like you liking the look of the car, is like it's pretty uncomfortable if you're a bigger person. If you're a high calorie individual, but like besides it being like cramped and stuff, it's a nice looking car. It has a nice reliable engine because it's done with Toyota. And then the only thing you're really left with is like, yo, we have a really good gas mileage. But it's like, this car is also $20,000 more than a GT. Are you really gonna save $20,000 over owning this over 5 years? Like from gas?
Yeah.
Depends how much you drive. It really depends.
But like the V8 eats so much gas, it's gonna cost you like 20K.
Could pick any color when you were buying this off auction. Is this the exact color you would have wanted? Like in all honesty, because
Okay, I'll be honest. I thought it was white at first, like kind of white.
yeah.
And then it came by and I was like, oh, silver. Fuck.
Brokey color.
and then like it kind of grew on me. It's not an ugly color.
No, it's
not
not.
ugly.
I feel like Supra has too many grays and silvers though.
Yeah.
They got like fucking 5.
No, like too many people have like, especially like this color. Dude.
Yeah. Have you seen the matte gray? It's called Phantom Matte Gray.
Is it not the A91?
I don't know if it's A91, but
I'm pretty sure
it looks really fucking good.
Yeah.
Okay, so
I've never seen it in person.
you want to know what my favorite color for the Supra is?
What?
Can you guess?
No.
No?
Orange? Red?
Nope.
Blue?
Actually,
Green.
they're new orange. Well, no, they don't even have a green. They don't even have a green. But I'm talking about stock color. But the what is it called? It's the new one that's called the like something, the Baja Blast Orange. We're just gonna call it that. They have a new one for 2024. They have an orange one for the A91s. Or no, it's for the 45th anniversary edition. Those look so good.
Yeah.
However, it's not my favorite. Although I love that orange, and I feel like it'd look better in person than on camera. So there's I think it's called like Revolution Blue, and that one looks so good, bro. But for the Mustang, I love the Kona Blue, but after now having this color, I feel like, bro, the Grabber Blue looks really good, which is the same colors as like that Supra. It's just on the Mustang. Grabber Blue looks like crazy. With some chrome wheels, I would have loved that. But I also really love white cars, man.
I wouldn't mind wrapping my car white.
Yeah.
Like, white looks really good on almost every car.
I don't know, man. I feel like finding, like if I do a wrap, I feel like I want it to be like a unique color.
This guy's gonna... I don't get it. Was he angry or no? He was just trying to fearmonger and stuff.
I don't know, man. I feel like I love too many colors, and it's hard to pick one. But for the Supra, I would 100% get that light blue because it's such a rare color, and it's crazy that there's even some for 50K right now.
For 50K, it's kind of crazy. Cause this guy bought the car for almost 70.
Yeah, no, it's crazy. They've been dropping in price right now, so you know they're getting rid of the 2.0 engine, right?
Good.
For the 2025 year.
Good.
Because, but the thing is that if you're getting a 2.0 Supra, you might as well just get a GR86, save your money.
Honestly, I don't know who would even think about like, hey, I want a Supra 2.0.
Imagine you get gapped by a...
Yeah, you probably, the B48s are actually, you can make it pretty fast. Shut the yeah. BMW rider. I'll blow another engine. Only thing I'm gonna be blowing is you.
Thanks for tuning in. That's it for the video. That's it for the comparison. I'm gonna go ahead and see y'all in the next one. I hope y'all enjoyed that. I mean, it's completely two random cars with like completely different budgets, but it's what we got. We're gonna get another video going soon with Bro's RS3, hopefully when he fixes it in 3 years. But until then, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Toodles!